To get started, navigate to the OneDrive link provided in the video description or comments. We use OneDrive for this facility because it means you get to experience RECIST360 without the need to sign up, provide any of your own personal information, and you can use this facility with ease within your own web browser. It also means you get to experience a demonstration without the need of unwanted commercial sales pitch corporate-style meetings, in your own relaxed time. Before starting, be sure to read the terms of use. All you need to do is simply follow the instructions. But I'll walk you through it now. Step 1. Enter a letter that will help you identify your returned output. Step 2. Change data on any of the 3 gray worksheets. These worksheets mirror SDTM data tables that are required for lesion and response data oversight. I'll select the TR domain. The tool is already completed with 2 dummy patients, a clean patient and a non-clean patient. So you do not need to provide any data to test this tool's functionality. Instead, you can just change existing data. Alternatively, you could paste your own dummy data. But keep in mind, for the tool to accept this data, it means the structure of data needs to match the specifications detailed on row 2 of each worksheet. If you wish to test a significant amount of data, we advise you perform a find and replace on texts offline before using this facility. The facility will direct you to where you have not met the required data structures. Failure to correct means you will not get returned output. Step 3. You can optionally provide an email address if you want outputs returned via email. Otherwise, simply wait for processing and your returned output will be available on the return files path. And here is an example. I'll open this folder. A validation log file is present. This is only for information and to show you that when the RECIST360 team works with a client officially, we ensure basic data integrity prior to it being uploaded into the program. However, if you do not see one of your dummy patients returned to you, an explanation will be provided inside this file. What you are really interested in is the returned output. One file is present for each patient. I'll open the patient that is not clean. Go to the patient timeline. Here you see a visual representation of the OneDrive data tables. It is not the purpose of this video to explain everything you see here, because there's another video for that. But what I want to show you is how data discrepancies are now explained to you. Scrolling past data summaries, we have highlighted cells. I will click one, bringing me to the repository of all data discrepancies our program identified. You can see there is humanized text clearly explaining the data issue. This is coupled with both the logic of the check and a resource to relevant literature for further reading. This tool's intention is not to replace any of your own internal training requirements, but, as you can see, you have the ability to challenge your own logic. While this was a demonstration of how to use the online facility, I hope from it you can understand how the RECIST360 team has the capacity to automatically scan all of your RECIST data for errors. Why take a chance without a pre-locked QC? Try it now.